were invited on this webinar really to learn about some very simple wealth principles. We believe that a dollar saved is a dollar earned. And so as I go through this information, guys, I'm not here to really, really convince you of anything. You already know if you want to, make extra money, or, if you want to see an opportunity where you can do a little bit better. And so what we really want to do today is we really want to give you guys some education and understanding. We want to educate you guys on the benefits of actually owning a home-based business, and also the reason why we chose Wake Up Now as that vehicle of choice. And so what I want to do is I want to answer the first question, which is, what is Wake Up Now? So guys, Wake Up Now is a really simple company. The whole concept of this company is to help people to do three things, and that is save money, manage money, and make money. So as I go through the information that I'm sharing today, it's all going to boil back to how you can save more money, manage money, and make money. And so what I'm going to do today, instead of going through a PowerPoint presentation, I'm actually going to dive right into my back office and share with you guys all the different products that we offer. So right now, if you guys are looking at my screen, right now I'm in the back of my Wake Up Now hub. And inside the hub is where you have a lot of different products that's going to help you to save money and manage money. So the first product that we offer is called the Marketplace. Now, the best way for me to describe the Marketplace is imagine if you owned your own Amazon.com. So imagine if you had a website with a search bar and you can literally search for anything that you want to search for, like I'm doing right now. So for example, I just did a search for Michael Kors watches. And as you can see, there's an array of different watches. Not only can you get the watches at a discounted rate, but you can also earn cash back and commissions from the watches that you buy. So for example, I'm going to highlight this watch. This right here is a lady's watch, the MK4222. Now what I like to do is I like to do research. So I went to another site that you guys are familiar with. I went to Macy's.com. And on Macy's.com, I see that Macy's is selling this exact same watch, the MK4222, for $225. Now you can buy this exact same watch from your Wake Up Now marketplace for only $139.34. So not only will you get it for a cheaper price, but also you're going to earn 3% cash back on that particular purchase. So what Wake Up Now is, we're actually categorized as a social distribution network. And that's a new phrase that basically means you're able to use your social media outlets to share deals. So you can share this on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Pinterest, or even email it to your friends and family. And if they decide to make that same purchase, guess what? You're going to earn that commission or cash back on that purchase. Now that's a phenomenal thing. So that right there, guys, was the Marketplace product. The next product that we have is one of my favorites. It's called Access to Our Vacation Club. So as a member of Wake Up Now, we allow you to stay at condos and resorts all around the United States and all across the world for pennies on the dollars. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here in our Hot Weeks section. Within this section, you guys are going to notice these are 7-night condos and resorts. They're pretty much anywhere. Take a look at the pricing that you would receive as a member of Wake Up Now. Now, these member pricings that you guys are seeing right here, this is not per person. Keep that in mind. So a lot of these places can sleep anywhere from 2 to 8 people, and typically you pay anywhere from $200 to $400 for the entire 7 nights. What I will do is I will highlight this one particular place. This is the one I looked at in the Cayman Islands at the beautiful Reef Resort. As you guys can see, as a Wake Up Now member, you only spend $389, and in fact, you can actually take up to 4 people with you. And now again, I want to do some research to make sure that was legit, and I went to a familiar site called Expedia.com. On Expedia.com, you can get this exact same resort, the Cayman Islands, for 7 nights, sleep 4 people, $2,357. So again, my question to you is, if someone's going to go on this particular vacation, where would they want to book it from? Well, anyone with some common sense is going to go book it to where they can get it for the best price. So again, we're all about helping people to go back to saving money and manage their money better. So that was the Vacation Club. The next product that we offer is also we have discounts on car rentals. So if you ever need to rent a vehicle, we have a discount with Enterprise and National. You automatically get up to a 15% discount, and also you're automatically upgraded to what they call the Emerald Executive status. And that basically means you don't have to wait on any lines. You're basically treated like a CEO. You're able to go to any upgraded vehicle and just drive off the lot. So that's the discounts there. Now, the next product is actually my personal favorite. It's a software that we provide our members called TaxBot. One huge benefit that I want to talk about of being a small business owner is that you now have access to over 450 tax deductions. Now, if you're just a W-2 employee, the thing about it is the more you make at your job, the more that you have to pay out in taxes. It's totally different for you guys that you guys understand how it works as a business owner. Before you pay $1 in taxes, you're able to write off these business expenses or tax deductions. Now, the hard part about being a business owner typically is keeping track of everything that you spend your money on. So what we provide our members is a software, and actually with this software, you can download it on your smartphone. But with the software, you basically can take snapshot pictures of all your receipts. Once you take a picture of that receipt, it stores it in a cloud of the software. So at the end of the year, all you have to do is just create a report and give that to your CPA or accountant. Also, as a business owner, you actually get a mileage deduction. And most people in their car, they have to keep a mileage log and keep track of their business miles. With the app, you can actually hit add trip, and it's going to basically use the GPS on your phone to calculate all the miles. And it's basically going to save you 56 cents for every mile that you drive. So it's a really nice software that you can download. And at the end of the year, you will get a report. And this is exactly what they call this the audit safe report. This is what you would receive within the software. As you can see, it has all of your receipts in it and everything. A lot of people get started with WakeUpNow just for this one software and this one benefit alone. So that right there was the TaxBot. So the next software that we provide is also a personal financial management software called WakeUpNow Finance. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the whole concept of this business is to really help people to get in better shape financially. So as you're starting to save a lot of money, and also at the end when I show you how you can make money, it's very important that you don't blow that money. And so we provide you with a PFM software where you can put in all of your accounts all in one place. So on one side, you put in all of your assets, any of your bank accounts. On the other end, you put in all of your liability or your debt. You put in your credit cards, your mortgages, your student loans. What this software will do is this software will give you a debt analysis of where you're at, but it will also show you the quickest way to getting out of debt. And most of you guys may know this, but the best way to get out of debt is by paying a little bit more than that minimum payment. So this software will give you very small recommendations. You know what? Pay an extra $5 a month on this bill. Pay an extra $12 a month on this bill. But as you do that, you start snowballing all of your payments, and it's going to help you get out of debt a lot quicker, which is actually going to start saving you thousands of dollars on the interest as if you're paying at the normal schedule. This particular family must have had a mortgage. It says they would not have been out of debt until June of 2038, but by following the accelerated payout, they will be completely debt-free in May of 2019. Wow. So that right there was the finance software. Another thing that you get as a member of WakeUpNow is you get identity theft protection. And this was good for myself because I actually was already paying for this service. I was paying $19 a month for this exact same service. So when I joined WakeUpNow, I was able to cancel that, save that money, and still get this benefit as a member. So as a WUN Protect customer, you actually are covered up to $25,000 in identity theft insurance. Also, before that even happens, this company will send you out emails and alerts to alert you if anyone ever tries to opening up an account using your social, which is great. Also, for those that have PCs, we provide you with computer protection and tech support free of charge. So if you ever get a virus on your computer, that can be a headache. We're able to log into and remote into your desktop or laptop and speed up your system. And it's all included with your membership. Another particular software that we have is a language learning software. It's called OneSpeak. Now this software right here, it is extremely similar to a Rosetta Stone type software. But for those that's priced Rosetta Stone, it's typically going to cost you about $300 to $400 for one language. As you can see here, we provide our members with up to 80 languages, and this is for you and your entire family. So again, imagine that you're going to take a really nice vacation overseas. Now, not only can you go over there and enjoy it, but you can, brush up on that language so you can maybe at least order your food with that language when you get over there. So again, it's all included within your membership. So that's the OneSpeak software. The next thing that we provide for you and our guests, and anyone that has AT&T, we do have a contract that says as a member of WakeUpNow, you get 22% off on your existing cell phone bill. So that's, again, saving you some money on the things that you're going to already spend money on anyways. Now I'm going to touch on two last products before I shift gears here. So this is actually a new product we have called Personal Assistant, and actually just upgraded to this service as well. So imagine this. Imagine you need someone to do something for you. Well, guess what? You now have a personal assistant that you can call 24/7. They can literally do anything that you want them to do. So it's not like if you guys use Siri on your iPhone, you're actually speaking to a live person that will greet you by your name, say, hey, you know, what is it that you need me to do? And they'll do it for you. I just used them a couple of days ago. I needed to go and get my car serviced. And so I called them. I said, hey, you know what? Call the Audi dealership and get the very next appointment for me. And they did that. They sent me a text and said, hey, I got you scheduled, you know, on that particular day. Again, anything that you need, you have a personal assistant at your fingertips. That's pretty cool. The very next product that I'm going to touch on is a new service we have called OneMD. Now, this service is actually powered by a company called Teladoc. So imagine this. Imagine that you wake up in the morning, you're not feeling good, you have, you know, flu-like symptoms, and you probably just really need some good medicine. But before you can get your medicine, what do you have to do? You typically have to go to your doctor, your primary care, or the ER to get a prescription. So with this service here, you're actually able to have a video section, whether it's a Skype session with a 5-star nurse and doctor, certified board doctors in any state. Also, you're able to call up and pick up the phone and talk to a doctor. As you guys can see, typically the average doctor callback is within 16 minutes, and there's no copays. And this actually is for you and up to 5 dependents to get this particular service. So guys, what I want to do right now, I want to definitely share with you guys the value of what we offer. Also, now I want to share with you guys how we're able to use these products ourselves, become a customer, and then also how we're able to build upon this just by word of mouth referrals. So there's actually 2 different packages that we sell as a business owner of Wake Up Now. The first package that we offer is called our Explore package. As an Explore package member, you get access to everything that I share with you guys, including the new personal assistant and the OneMD. Now this package is $149 to get started, and it's $149 per month thereafter. The next package that we have is called our Wake Up Now Platinum package. And this package includes everything that I discussed with you guys except for those last 2 products. You don't get the personal assistant, you don't get the OneMD, and this package is only $99.95. And that's, again, to get started, and $99 a month. Now, guys, I always like to pause right here and so you can kind of think about what I just shared with you guys. If you guys actually use the products and services, you know, maybe take 1 vacation a year. For you guys that don't own a business, now this is your business. You're going to be able to get back, you know, thousands more back on your taxes. Maybe use the finance software and budget your money better. You're actually always going to save more than what it costs to be a member of Wake Up Now. So that's important. Now, what I want to do now is share with you guys how, like myself and many of my business partners, we get all of these products, all of these services, and we don't pay anything out of pocket every single month. And so what I'm going to do right now is share with you guys our very simple compensation plan. And that's going to share with you guys how we're able to make some residual income in the process. So there's different levels as you guys are looking at the compensation plan. The first level that you can achieve is called Director 3. Now to hit Director 3, it says here in this column that you simply need to have 3 referrals to Wake Up Now. So once you've referred 3 people to the business, you actually make $100 every single month. Now that's a cool level because if you're a platinum member, you're actually making enough money every month to cover your own membership fees. So we have the saying that says refer 3, and now your membership fees are coming out of your profit, not of your pocket. That basically means they're no longer going to charge your personal debit card every single month. You have all these products and services completely out of pocket for you. The next level is called Founder 3. Now to hit Founder 3, as you can see, you simply need to have a total team of 12 people. Now Wake Up Now is a company that uses leverage on your side. So instead of you bringing 12 people yourself, guys, think about this strategy. The strategy is called B3, H3, G3. And that stands for Bring 3, Help 3, Get 3. So if you count up how many people that is, that's still a total organization of 12. At this level, you are clocking in at $600 paid out every single month on the 15th. And how do we get paid? Wake Up Now will give you a Visa debit card with your name on it. So every month on the 15th, you'll get your your commission loaded on your Wake Up Now Visa card, and you can swipe it anywhere Visa is accepted. So that is our Founder 3 position. The next level that you can achieve is called Founder 4. To put it in context, it personally took me about 4 months to hit this level. I've seen some people hit it a lot faster, some slower, depending on their work ethic. But to hit Founder 4, you simply have to personally bring in 4 people to the business yourself. Now, your team of 12 is almost like a snowball. It's going to double, triple, quadruple. Once you have a total team of about 112 people, at this level, you start making $2,500 residual. On top of that, you get $250 as a vacation dollar bonus. Now, that means every month, Wake Up Now will pay you to take a trip of your choice. Now, this bonus is allowed to roll over. So let's say you don't take a trip every month. You can wait up to 3 months and then cash out, say, $750 that you can go on a really nice vacation at that level. The next level is called Founder 5. To hit that, you personally bring in 1 more, so personally bring in 5 people. Your team of 112 will eventually double over time to 223. At this level, you will start making $5,000 per month. On top of that, you're going to make $250 for the vacation dollars. And also, you're going to make another bonus for $250 that'll go towards an automobile bonus. Now, if you don't want to go out and buy a new vehicle, Wake Up Now will allow you to use this bonus to pay off an existing mortgage or student loans. Again, Wake Up Now is a company that's big on helping people to get out of debt. And so it's really good that you can use that to help pay off your mortgages and your student loans if you don't want to buy a new vehicle of your choice. The next level is called Founder 6. At this level, you personally brought in 6. It's pretty simple, guys. Your team doubled again from 223 to 445. You're now making $8,000 a month. And now you're getting about $750 on the luxury payouts. I'm going to just stop here at the last founder position, which is Founder 7. That means you personally brought in 7. Your team of 445 doubled to 889. At this level, you're talking about $14,000 per month in residual income. On top of that, you're getting the $500 for your vacation and $500 either for your automobile bonus, your mortgage payout, or your student loans. Guys, I'm not going to go through all the other levels. Just know this, for those that take this business serious and treat it like a business, there's actually a level called Global Executive at the bottom where you can actually be ranking up and making about $114,000 per month. I do like to point out, though, once you hit these last level, the owner of Wake Up Now has a private jet, and you will receive private jet time for you and your family. So imagine you and your family hopping on a private jet, maybe flying to South Beach or to California for the weekend. I call that living, guys. So what I want to do is I really want to stress the importance, if you're looking at these higher ranks, the way you hit these higher ranks is simply by focusing on the first rank, which is Founder 3. And there's a saying that says if you help enough people get to where you want, by default, you'll get to where you want. So really, guys, just focus on coming into the business, enjoying the products, enjoying the services, and just organically sharing it with others. Once you have a total team of 12, again, B3, H3, G3, you start making $600 every single month. So we're about done, guys. I want to wrap up just by sharing with you guys a little bit of background on exactly who's running the corporate side of the company. So Wake Up Now is managed by our CEO, Mr. Kirby Cochran, our President, Jason Elrod, and our Chief Operating Officer, Phil Polich. Guys, as you guys can see, Wake Up Now is a publicly funded company, actually in Provo, Utah. We have over 150 employees on staff. I like these guys because these guys aren't your average network marketers or MLMers. These guys are true businessmen. Kirby Cochran is actually a professor of finance at the University of Utah. So what better person to run a finance-based software company than a professor of finance? And so these guys have massive experience building companies that's already valued at over $1 billion. They've taken multiple companies, over 200 companies public. In fact, Wake Up Now already has our ticker. So just in recap, we've discussed this evening how you're able to get paid when other people shop by using your marketplace. We discussed how you can easily invest $100 and turn it into $600 every month with a team of 12 hitting our Founder 3 position. You can save $1 for every 2 miles you drive because now you will be an independent business owner. You can track it with your TaxBot software. You can get paid to travel and save thousands in the process. Right now, you can receive a 22% discount off on your AT&T cell phone. You can cut your debt in half using our Wake Up Now Finance. We have identity theft protection. We do have a section called free stuff that I didn't cover, but you can click on our free section and the company loads up $100 a day worth of random free stuff that you're able to claim. Also, you get language learning software, and as I mentioned, there's a whole lot more that you can receive as a member of Wake Up Now. So as we say, let's start living the one life. So guys, that actually concludes the presentation, the screen sharing that I wanted to share with you guys today. If there's any guests that have any questions, what I would like to do is I would like to open it up for any particular questions that you guys may have. If not, I ask for all of our guests to get back to the person that actually invited you. Let them know if you're ready to get started, or if you have any questions one-off, they'll definitely get your questions answered. Maybe we can do a three-way phone call with either myself or any of my other business partners to get any clarification that you guys may need.